Hello and welcome back to our PGCET Essentials video series. And in the last series, we just saw about your ABC analysis for different difficulty level of your questions, which can come from each topic. It was categorized as most important and which can be afforded to be skipped. So hope you had watched the last video. In case if you have not watched it, just go back and check it out. And coming forward for the today's session, we are going to start with the revision of each and every important topics under each category. Now, this is going to be again the complete revision. Okay, be very assured that this is going to be the revision. In case if you want to access the comprehensive entire course, you can just visit our app and you can start using it for the entire course over there. Okay, now the most important topic for today we will be doing with your quantitative ability, that is your speed math. Now, since there is no calculators allowed in your exams, this becomes more crucial to know the speed math tricks which can help you in the calculations. If you're good at calculations, your entire process of identifying the answers becomes much more faster and you are assured to get a very good rank in that way. Okay. Now let's dive into the class for today and take it from there. Okay guys, so yes, we will start with the speed math. That is important topic for your quantitative ability, and keeping this, most of your quants question will become easy. Trust me. Without calculators, these are the techniques which are going to help you out a lot. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. And yes, the first one is regarding your addition. And when it comes to the addition, everyone is accustomed to use your traditional method of your school calculations. What will you do? 73 and I'll put 37 below and you'll start adding it up. And this is the method what we were been following for ages, right? Now what I would suggest is just add 7 plus 3, that is nothing but 70 plus 30, that is 100. And 3 plus 7 becomes 10 and the total becomes 110. That's it, done. Next, 4 plus 7 is nothing but 40 plus 70, that is 110. 7 plus 4 is 11 and the total becomes 121. The method is getting faster. Okay. The similar way you can also do it for these numbers also. What is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 becomes 14, that is 140. 7 plus 7 becomes 14, that is 154. Next, for 3-digit numbers also same thing. 2 plus 2 becomes 400. 1 plus 9 becomes 100. 90 plus 10 becomes 100. 4 plus 8 becomes 12. It becomes 512. That's it, done. As simple as that. What will I do for long numbers, sir? Same thing. Calculate all the tens places together and add up all the units places together. You will get your answers. How? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6. How much? 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. 370. 5 plus 5, 10. 15. 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. Becomes 406. How quickly you can do it? Even much more faster than your calculators. Similar way you can do it for your 3-digit numbers also. 100 placed together, tens placed together and the units placed together. 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 1600. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 1, 80, 180. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. This becomes 1801. That's it, done. So your answers for all these questions came within seconds. Even if you do it in calculators, it would have taken much more time, but by doing your mental calculations, it becomes much more faster. What you should remember? Just add up all the units places, add up all the tens places, add up all the hundreds places. You will get your answer absolutely fine. Similar method needs to be approached for your subtraction also, where it will be very much handy for you people. Okay. Now, this is clear. Let's start with your multiplication, where most of you people get stuck. But this is Trust me, this is one of the most interesting concepts of your mathematics itself. I love mathematics because of these kind of fun stuffs where I can do it much more quick. Now coming to this multiplication with 11, easy. Whenever it is with 11, just write the given numbers far apart. 6 and 3 far apart. What is 6 plus 3? 9. It becomes 693. For 43, 4 and 3 far apart. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. 87, 8 and 7 far apart. 8 plus 7 becomes 15. 5 you write it here, 1 carry. So it becomes 957. That's it, done. 112 into 11. What it becomes? Sir, 1, 2 far apart. What is 2 plus 1? 3. What is 1 plus 1? 2. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 2. Quick. Within seconds you get the answers. Similar way, if you do it for 1, 3, 4, 5, it becomes 1 and 5 far apart. What is 5 plus 4? 9. What is 3 plus 4? 7. What is 1 plus 3? 4. 1, 4, 7, 9, 5. If you want, cross check it with your calculators, you will get the same exact answers. So this is the power of your speed math. Okay, next. Multiplication with 5. Again, this is one of the most interesting concepts. Whenever it is with an even number. Okay, let me just increase it. Even number. So here you can see all these are even numbers. Okay. So when you multiply 62 with 5, what is half of 62? 31. Half of 62 is 31. Add 1 0 in the end. What is 48 half? 24. Add 1 0 in the end. That's your answers. These are your answers. What is 192 into 5? What is 192 half? It is going to be 96. Add 1 0 in the end. 456 into 5. What is half of 456? It becomes 276. 276. Yes, 278 and add a 0 in the end. Okay. So this becomes your answer. 1222. This becomes how much? 611. Add 1 0 in the end. Sir, what is this concept of adding a 0 in the end? Nothing. 31. Just multiply it with 10. 24, just multiply it with 10. 96, multiply it with 10. The same answer you get. This is for the numbers ending with 5. What in case if I ask you a number which is ending with 50? Now you will tell, sir, you did not teach me what is ending with 50. Okay, same thing, same concept. What is half of 62? 31. Instead of adding 1 0, add 2 zeros. For 5 you used to add 1 0. For this add 2 zeros. It means multiplied by 100. Same answer. Sir, what if it was 0.5? I'll come to this. Next is going to be that concept. Now, if it is with 0.5, then what will happen, sir? Nothing. Same. What is half of 32? Half of 62? Sorry. Half of 62 is 31. Instead of adding 0, for 5 you would have done it, add a 0 to it, so you would add a decimal to it. So it becomes 31.0, that is nothing but 31. So done. What is half of 48? 24. What is half of 192? 96. What is half of 456? 278. What is half of this one? 611. Just half. That's all. Just half. This is going to be a method for this one. Sir, what if it was an odd number? All are odd numbers. Again, simple. 63 is an odd number. One thing. Subtract 1 from it. What becomes? 62. What is half of 62? Becomes 31. Instead of adding a 0 in the end, add a 5 in the end. Okay. Subtract 1 from the given number. Whatever number you get, half it becomes 31. Add a 5 in the end. What is 49 minus 1? 48. Half of 48 is 24. Add a 5 in the end. Half of 192 is 96. Add a 5 in the end. Half of 456 is 278. Add a 5 in the end. Half of 1222 is 611. Add a 5 in the end. So this is how you do the speed math multiplication with 5 with the numbers which are ending with an odd number. Okay. So this is the next important thing. So hope this concept is clear. Now with this 0.5, same thing, just half it, 62. So this becomes how much? 63 minus 1 is 62. What is half of 62? 31. For 5, what would have done? Add a 5 to n, add a decimal to it. This becomes 31.5. Same way, this becomes 24.5. This becomes 96.5. This becomes 278.5. This becomes 611.5. That's it. It is as simple as I tell right now. What you can do is keep practicing the similar questions repeatedly so you will get the flow of it. Obviously, once if you practice, you won't remember it in your exam. So make sure you're practicing it day in, day out. At least until your exams. Come on, guys. You want a good rank, right? Come on. Next, the multiplication with 99. This is very interesting again. So 99 into 54. So whenever you want to multiply a number with 99 or 999, whatever it is, just subtract 1 from the given number. What is the given number then? 53. Write it down. Now, from 5 to reach 9, how many places you need to add up? Plus 4. From 3 to reach 9, how many places you need to add up? Plus 6. So it becomes 5346 is your answer. 5346 is your answer. Same way for 456 into 999. What will you do? Sir, 999 into 456. Subtract 1 from it. This becomes 455. Now, what you need to do? Sir, from 4 to add up 9, I need to add 5 extra. From 5 to reach 9, I need to add 4 extra. Repeatedly from 5 to 9, need 4 extra. This becomes your answer. Now, what did you observe? Equal number of 9s and equal number of digits. When you multiply, this is going to be the method what you need to follow. But if you observe the last question, it is like 9 is 5 times and the digits are 4 digits over here. Then what you need to do? Same method, 99999 into, put a 0 to the beginning, 08978. Now is it a 5-digit number? Now can you subtract 1 from it? Yes, sir. So what it becomes? 08977. From 0 to reach 9, it takes 9 places. From the 8 to reach 9, 1, 0, 2, 2. Now this becomes the answer for your given question. It is as simple as this one. It is as simple as this one. Okay. Hope this concept is clear. Third one I left it out. You can just go back and give a try whenever you have time. Okay. Next. Multiplication with any number. So what do I do with, and it is any number. This is what I find the most difficult or challenging part. You see. Again. So now I am assuming that you people know your tables from 1 to 20. It is mandatory. Okay. Your squares from 1 to 25, cubes from 1 to 10. Mandatory. If you know this, most of the things can be solved much more easily. Okay. First thing. 39 into 17. This can be written as 39 into 10 plus 7. 63 into 10 plus 2. Yes, sir. 257 into 10 plus 3. Yes, sir. Or can I make it much more simpler? I'll do it much more simpler. Wait. 30 plus 9 into 17. Okay, sir. 60 plus 3 into 12. Yes, sir. 200 plus 50 plus 7 into 13. Yes, sir. Now, can I write 30 into 17 is how much? 5, 10. 5, 10. And 9 into 17 is 153. So this becomes 663. So soon you got the answer. Yes. This is the power of your mental abilities and thinking. 60 into 12 is nothing but 720. 3 into 12 is nothing but 36. It becomes 756. That's it, done. 200 into 13 is 13 twos are 26. 2600. 50 into 13 is 65. 650. 7 13s are, how much is it? 84. 12 sevens are 84. And this becomes 91. What is your answer? 3200, 3300, 3341. That's all done. As simple as that, as quick as possible. So this is your ability, what you can achieve when you keep practicing every day. It's not so difficult, right? Same thing. Let us go for multiplication with consecutive odd and even numbers. Most of you people have thought, why am I learning a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a plus b the whole square? All these things I have not applied anywhere in life, not after this. Okay. So now the number given to you is 12 into 14. What is the in between number? 13. What is 13 minus 1? 12. What is 13 plus 1? 14. So can I write it in terms of 13 minus 1 into 13 plus 1? So what are you observing? Sir, can I take this as a minus b into a plus b? Yes, sir. Can this be written as a square minus b square? Yes, sir. What is 13 square? 169 minus 1. This becomes 168. That's it, done. As simple as that. This is what is the power of mathematics. Power of mathematics. The same thing, let us quickly do it for 59 into 61. Remaining things you can give a try. Or like 78 into 82 I'll do. Okay, 78 into 82. 78 into 82. What is the in between number? 80. 80 is less by 2. More by 2. So this becomes 80 square minus 2 square. 80 square is nothing but 6400. Minus 2 square is nothing but 4. This becomes 6396. That's it, done. 6396. As simple as that. This is your power. Come on. So if you do like this way of approach, please do like the video and do share it with your friends who are facing the similar difficulty as you. So everyone will be benefited out of it. Okay. So hope this is good. And let's go to the next one. Whenever you want to multiply a number with 25, the same concept applies over here. So what is 25? I'll also do two problems from here. Remaining 2 problems you can do it as a homework. This is going to be 648 into 25 can be written as 100 by 4. Yes, sir. 4 can be written as 4 16s are 64. 4 2s are 8. This becomes 16,200. That's it, done. So what did I do? I wrote 25 in terms of 100 by 4 and became simple. Similar way, 736 into 100 by 4. So 4 will go how many times? 4 1s are 4, 3 3, 4 8s are 32, 1, 4 4s are 16, 18,400. That's it, done. Quick, speed math. This is your power, what you can gain just by learning some tricks in your speed math where your calculation will become very simple. Trust me, this is going to make you crack your exam much more easy. Now what should I do for 1.25? Now quick facts. 125 can it be written as 1000 by 8. 12.5 can be written as 100 by 8. 1.25 can be written as 10 by 8. 0.125 can be written as 1 by 8. This is what you are going to apply over here. Okay, what I should do? 64 into 1.25 will be written as 64 into 10 by 8. 10 by 8. So this is nothing but 8 will go 8 times and the answer will become 80. 120 into 10 by 8. 1.25 is nothing but 10 by 8. 8 will go 15 times and this answer becomes 1000. 150. 10 into 15 is nothing but 150. So this is your answers. Remaining 2 you can just give a try. Okay. So this concept is clear. Okay. Now next with 12.5, yes, you can give the same attempt to answer these questions. I don't think this will be a hindrance to you. One question I'll do here. 64 into 12.5 can be written as 100 by 8. 8 will go 8 times. This becomes 800. Okay. Remaining questions, the same questions. You can give a try. Okay. Next part with 101. Whenever you get any number, any 2-digit number getting multiplied by 101, write the same number twice. That's it. 24, 24, 97, 97, 87, 87, 69, 69. Same thing, if a 3-digit number, 343 into 1001 is multiplied by 1001, the same 3-digit number repeats. Okay. This is another interesting trick, what you can remember. Next, whenever you want to multiply a number with 1.5, easy again. Whatever is the given number, what is 1.5? 150%. 150%. This is 100%. What is 50% of 34? 17. What is 34 plus 70? 51. That's all done. It's all done. What is 82? 82 is 100%. Plus half of 82 is 41. Answer is 123. That's all done. So add the same number with half of its own number, get the answer. What is 984? Plus half of 984 is 492. 492. Yeah. 492, 492, 49 into 2 is 98. Okay, 492. Plus 492. This becomes 1300, 1400, 1476. 76. That's all done. Same thing you can do it for 23, 234 into 1.5. Give a try. 2.5 again. 25, 2.5, 0.25. 25 can be written as 100 by 4. 0.25 can be written as, or 2.5 can be written as 10 by 4. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. Same concept holds good. So 36 can be written as 36 into 100 by 4. And this is nothing but 4 9s are 36. Answer is 900. Nice, right? 164 into 100 by 4. 4 will go 4 times, 1 time. This becomes 4000. 41 into 100 becomes 4100. That's all done. Remaining 2 problems you can give a try. Becomes very simple. Very, very simple. Now let us go to the next one. Single digit number. And now you want to multiply this again. Split the 43 into 40 plus 3 into 5. What is 4 into 5? 200. What is 3 into 5? 15. This is going to be 215. 68 into 7 becomes 60 plus 8 into 7. 60 into 7 is 6 7s are 54. 6 7s are 42. Sorry, I am only making mistake. 6 7s are 42. 6 8 7s are 56. It becomes 476. That's it, done. Remaining 2 problems you can do the same way. You split the numbers, multiply with the single digit number, assuming that you all are aware of single digit multiplication. Okay. Okay. Division with 5. So division with 5 is again interesting. So what you need to do is the same concept, 36 by 5. So 36 divided by 5, what will you do? First let me start with 0.5 before this. 36 divided by 0.5. What is 0.5 written as? 36 divided by 1 by 2. Will this 2 go up? This becomes 36 into 2. That is nothing but 72. So 36 divided by 0.5 is going to give me 72. So now whenever you want to multiply, divide 412 divided by 5, it means 412 you multiply by 2. What is it going to be? 824 and add 1 decimal to it. 36 divided by 5 will become 7.2. 7.2. 64 into 2 will become 128. Add 1 decimal to it since it is dividing by 5. If it was divided by 0.5, no decimal required. 723 into 5 divided by 5, you can give a try. Okay. multiply by 2 and just add one decimal whenever you want to divide by 5. When it is 0.5, you know what you need to do. There's the same thing. There is going to be 72. This is going to be 824. This is going to be 128. Last one you're going to give a try. I'm not writing any answers over there. Okay. So now next one. Divide by 0.25, same thing. 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. So multiply this entire number by 4. So 6 into 4 becomes how much? 24. 28 into 4. What is 28 into 4? 4 into 2 is 8. 80. 8 into 4 is 32. This becomes 112. What am I doing? Splitting and multiplying. I'm not writing the step. 20 plus 8 into 4. 20 into 4 is 80. 8 into 4 is 32. 112. Do it remaining for the 32 and 400. Okay. So this concept for divide by 0.25 is also clear. 0.125 again. When you want to divide by 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8. Okay. So now 7 divided by 1 by 8 becomes what? 7 into 8. That is nothing but 56. So here you are going to do 12 into 8. What is 12 into 8? 96. Similar way, do it for 45 and 30. As simple as that. You not crack your head much over here. Right? So hope these concepts are getting much more better and clear. Just keep practicing every day. With 125, I want you people to give a try. Same rule. 125 is going to be what? 1000 by 8. So what is going to be the answer? Check it and let me know. Same thing only, but you need to add some decimals to this. Division with 25. What will you do for 25? Sir, 18 divided by 100 by 4. So this 4 will go up, sir. Yes. 18 into 4 divided by 100. What is 18 4s are? 36, 36, 72. 72. So you are having 100. So you will be adding decimal after 2 places. It becomes 0.72. Decimal before 2 places. 23 by 25 into 8 into 4 divided by 100. What is 23 into 4? 80. 3 into 4 is 12. 92. We'll be adding a decimal 0.92. As simple as that. Do it for the remaining 2 problems. Okay. So hope this concept is clear. Now coming to the squares, where most of you people find it difficult, but I find it very joyful to do this. So whenever you're doing squares from 75 to 125, I would request you to remember the squares from 1 to 25 mandatory. Only if you know this, then you can solve all these questions. So 94 is close to which number? 100. So this we are going to take it as a base. So 94 is how much less than the base? 6 less than the base. So 94 minus 6 is how much? 88. What is 6 square? 36. Done. Again repeating. 94, how much is it lesser than the base? 6. 100 minus 94 is 6. What is 94 minus 6? 88. What is 6 square? 36. Do it for 87. 87, how much is it lesser than 100? 13. What is 87 minus 13? It becomes 4, 7, 74. What is 13 square? 169. Write 1 below 4, 6, 9. So what it becomes? 7, 5, 6, 9. This becomes your answer. As simple as that. Okay. When it is 103, how much is 103 more than the base? 3. Add 3 to it. So it becomes 106. What is 3 square? 9. Just don't write 9. Write it as 09. 09. Same way if you do it for 109, it becomes how much more than the base? 9. What is 109 plus 9? 118. What is 9 square? 81. That's all done. So you're taking the base as 100. Keeping this as the base, you're solving the question. So this is how you need to solve these questions. Okay. So now whenever you want to find the squares of the numbers which are ending with 5, much more simple. What is the next number of 3? 4. What is the next number of 7? 8. What is the next number of 10? 11. What is the next number of 9? 10. What is 4 into 3? 12. What is 5 square? 25. What is 8 sevens are? 56. What is 5 square? 25. What is 10 into 11? 110. What is 5 square? 25. What is 9 into 10? 90. 5 square is 25. These are your answers with ending with 5. The squares of numbers ending with 5. Next, whenever you want to find the squares from 25 to 75, then what you need to do? Now, quickly, you can just start solving these questions too. How to do it? This is closer to which base? 50. How much is 44 less than 50? How much is 44 less than 50? You will tell 6. Yes, sir. 44 minus 6. 38, sir. This is what you taught us earlier. But this you cannot approach it over here. Then what I should do, sir? How much is lesser than 50? 6. But subtract this 6 from 25. Why, sir? Because you are aware only up to 25 squares. Okay. So 25 minus 6, how much is it? 19. What is 6 square? 36. That's all done. What is 39? How much is it lesser than 50? 11. What is 25 minus 11? Do it. It becomes 14. What is 11 square? 121. This becomes 1521. It's all done. 56. How much is it more than 50? 6. So 25 plus 6, it becomes 31. 31. What is 6 square? 36. 63. How much is it more than 50? 13. 25 plus 13 becomes 38. What is 13 square? 169. Becomes 3969. That's all done. So this is how you solve the question. This is how you solve the questions much more faster. Okay. So hope there is no confusions in up to this one. One last trick for the day. Square roots. Whenever you want to find the square roots, just remember 1 square is nothing but 1, 2 square is 2, 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. Right? So now, the units place of 1 square and 9 square are ending with 1. The units place of 2 square and 8 square are ending with 4. The units place of 3 square and 7 square are ending with 7. The units place of 4 square and 6 square are ending with 6. The units place of 5 is ending with 5. So whenever it is a square root, you can find out the square root for only for those numbers ending with 1, 4, 6, 9, and 5. If it is a perfect square root, it will be one of these numbers. Any other number apart from this, it won't be a perfect square. Okay. This is the first concept that you need to remember. Once this is done, okay sir, this is done, then what I need to do? Then this is simple. First number, I will only do for first number. Remaining numbers you are giving a try as a homework. 1849. Split the given number into last 2 digits. Identify what is in the units place. What is in the units place? 9. When can the units place be 9? If it is either 3 or 7. Yes, it can either be 3 or 7. Remaining number is 18. What is the closest perfect square for 18? It can be 4 4 the 16. This has to be a lesser number. Okay, it cannot be a more number, higher number. It has to be a lesser number. 4 4 the 16 is the closest. So it can be either 43 or 47. Sir, now I do not know which is the number. Do not worry. You know how to do it for the mid number 45. Because we know how to do it for 5. The numbers ending with 5, it is much more easy for us. So what is it? 45 becomes 4 into 5 is 20. 20, 25 is the number what you got in 45 square. Sir, the given number is 1849. This is lesser than the 45 square. So obviously the lesser number should be the answer for this. So 43 is the answer for 1849. Now it's your turn to do it for the remaining 3 questions. Okay. Okay. That's a brief recap for the entire revision of your speed math. Hope you were able to understand the concepts and different techniques which we had followed in order to solve each and every question. So if you had liked this video and found it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and be attached so that we will be bringing in some more revision videos in the upcoming weeks, which will be helpful for you to crack your exams more easily. Take care. Bye. See you.